This is a story about the transformation of a state that began in the early 20th century, a half-century after the Civil War, and a quarter-century before World War II.
We're part of everything that you look around at. You don't necessarily see it, but we're there in everything that makes Georgia what it is today.
This is a story about the people, companies, products, and technology that built Georgia's landmarks, cities, roads, and communities.
Yancey Brothers was here before there was a Caterpillar. Yancey Brothers supplied equipment and supplies to contractors before we became a Caterpillar dealer. So I think Caterpillar and Yancey is just synonymous.
This is a story about a business present throughout Georgia's transformation that has stood the test of time.
I think celebrating our 100th anniversary is just so dynamic. It's very rare.
One of the unique things about working for a company that's 100 years old is that it's older than everyone on the team. It was here before any of us were here. It will be here when all of us are gone. And so you're really carrying on a tradition that was started generations ago.
But this story is more than that. It's a story that starts with a vision and a passion shared by two brothers.
I think it was always interesting to me to hear the original story of Earl and Goodloe Yancey and their vision that we still follow today, and then that's gone on for 100 years.
I think it starts with the family itself. It's a family-owned dealership. It's gone now in its fourth generations.
I think it's taking care of the customers, plain and simple. I mean, that's why we're here. That's the reason we've been in business for 100 years.
Well, it's mostly we trust Caterpillar and Yancey Brothers because of the service level they provide us.
It's a story about a business that grew with the support of its communities and its state. A business that, together with its people and its customers, helped build Georgia.
You don't necessarily see it, but we're there in everything that makes Georgia what it is today.
You know, it's an exciting theme. We Build Georgia means that we're a part of helping our customers be successful.
This is the story of Yancey Brothers. We build Georgia. Yancey Hardware Company started in 1914 when brothers Goodloe and Earl Yancey opened up a shop on Peachtree Street in downtown Atlanta.
When Yancey Brothers started out, it was two guys and a truck selling hardware and whatever else their customers wanted, and their customers were county commissioners.
When they first started, they sold picks and shovels and old striped convict suits and things that prisons could use.
They became the first U.S. dealer to sell the Adams Mule Grader, a mule-powered predecessor of today's motor grader. Then in 1918, the brothers learned about Holt's Model 45. Holt said no to the Yancey brothers' first request to become a dealer in the Southeast. But when they sold all of Holt's inventory of the Model 45 tractor using only a photograph, Holt had a change of heart.
And a year later, they went back, and the people at the management of Holt gave them a contract to be a dealer in, I think, 4 southeastern states. So that was, to me, a turning point to become a Caterpillar dealer.
In 1925, Holt merged with Best Tractor Company to become the Caterpillar Tractor Company. Records at Caterpillar's corporate offices in Peoria indicate that, quote, Yancey Brothers is the nation's oldest Caterpillar dealer. Caterpillar is recognized worldwide as the premier heavy equipment brand and the world's leading supplier of mining, construction, and forestry equipment, and of power solutions. In Georgia, Yancey Brothers and CAT are synonymous.
When we say we build Georgia, we don't mean Yancey Brothers builds Georgia. It's our customers that have built Georgia, and we've been privileged to support them while they did it.
There's probably 100 stories. I've got a private owner. He operates the business. He's the owner, but his dad works for him, his brother works for him, and his nephew works for him. And he's all CAT, and he's proud of the fact that he started the business, didn't have any equipment, went into business, bought a couple used Cat machines, and now he's grown to about an 8-machine fleet that are all Cat.
You feel very proud when you're riding down the road and you see a construction project going on, and you can look out and identify that equipment belongs to this customer, and you know who it is, and you know what they're building, and you feel good about it.
You know, you don't stay in business for 100 years doing it wrong. You stay in business 100 years doing it right.
Tells me that the customer's entrusted us to take care of his needs, and that's what it's all about.
We have absolutely hands down the best product that is available in the industry, but just as important is we have the best people in the industry as well. And we really have a team approach all the way starting from our sales team to our project managers to our service department, all the way up through our upper management. We have incredible levels of support from all groups within our company.
No other dealer provides us with the level of support we have from all aspects of equipment ownership, from purchasing to repairs. Yancey brings all that to the table.
So the relationship with Yancey, I mean, it's been many years. I mean, it's probably 15 years old. It not only touches here in Atlanta in protection of systems and things, and like I said, I sleep a lot better at night as a CIO, protecting all these facilities worldwide, knowing that Yancey's around.
As our customers' trusted partner, we build the cities where you live and the buildings where you work. We help build the landmarks that leave you in awe. We keep the lights on when you need electricity to work or play. But we couldn't serve you without our committed team, our employees. We wouldn't be here without our trusted partners, our customers. We're Yancey Brothers, and together with you, we build Georgia.